Hi everybody, let us have a solution of all the 10 questions of yesterday's assignment, which was based upon your middle term splitting only. I hope you all are fine at your places and doing the job whatever we are allotting to you daily. Before that, I will like to clear two queries are there from class 8 student side. One is, do we have to careful about signs also? So this is one of the very important task you need to do every time in every question. Please, no scope of missing that part anywhere. Make a note of that. Definitely you need to take care of signs in case of your algebraic expression everywhere. Then second query was question 3 second part, but exercise is not mentioned. So please, whenever you're asking something, send all the information. So if you're speaking from exercise 9.5 point of view, that still I have not started. So today, if I will take the question number 3, definitely I will share this second part with you. So let us start with the solution of exercise. That is your assignment question solution first. In yesterday's assignment, first was y square plus y minus 72. So you need to get the factors of 72, 8 and 9, and difference you need is 1. So I think plus 9 and minus 8. Please tell your answer. Y square plus 9y minus 8y minus 72. Product of 72 and 1 is 72. Get the factor. 8 and 9 if I am getting directly. You can start it with 2 also. But you have to finally, now just by doing practice it 20-30 question already we have finished. Otherwise you start with 72 like 2 36 are, then 2 18s are, then your 2 9s are, and then 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. So 2 2s are, 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9. Like that also you can do. And the sign you have to put always with the greater term positive, because middle term is consisting positive sign. Whatever the sign with the middle term, that you need to put with the greater term. And second will be minus, because 9 into minus 8 will make it minus 72, and 9 minus 8 will give you y, 1y. So then you have to compare here y plus 9 minus 8, again that will be y plus 9, and finally y plus 9 is common, and into y minus 8. So answer for this will be y plus 9 into y minus 8. That was your first part. Please keep a watch. Check your answer. If any mistake is there, keep on doing the correction. So here I will be taking the selected numbers with you in these questions. You check your factors whether you have got those pairs or not. So 18 into 1, again 18. And I need the two numbers, so you know 6 into 3 will make it 18. And the difference of 6 and 3 again will be what? 3. So minus 6 plus 3. So in that way you can write the factorization minus 6y plus 3y minus 18. And the procedure, I am not repeating in detail now. You have to go for the prime factors of 18, and two numbers, that is a pair of numbers, will be there finally. How? Such that which sums or their difference is equal to the middle term, and product is always equal to the number with sign at last, whatever is there. So that's why minus 6 plus 3 I have picked here. And in first two y common, then it becomes y minus 6 plus 3 common, again y minus 6. In all y minus 6 is common, so y plus 3. This will be the solution of your second question. Third was 2x square minus x minus 3. Now you see the product here, 2 and 3. That is 6. So if I will get the factor of 2 3s are 6, I am getting 2 and 3. That's all my purpose. The difference of 2 and 3 will be minus 1, and there is a negative sign. So with greater I will put minus, and with other I will put plus. So I will write 2x square plus 2x minus 3x minus 3. So plus 2x minus 3x is minus 1x, and 2 into minus 3 will be equal to what? 6. And you need plus into minus is minus 6. So 2 into minus 3 definitely is equal to minus 6. So these two numbers should satisfy that equation. Product is equal to minus 6 and sum is equal to minus 1, and that is there. So in these two, again 2x is common, so x plus 1. Again here minus 3 is common, so here again it is x plus 1. Whatever is there in this bracket, same will be there in this bracket. So finally you are getting x plus 1 into 2x minus 3. So that will be the answer, x plus 1 into 2x minus 3 for your third question. Then fourth I am taking now. Fourth was y square minus y minus 56. So here again now you have to get the factors of 56, and if you start, so 2 28s are, then 2 14s are, and then 2 7s are, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8 and 7, and we'll solve my purpose. With greater put minus, with smaller put plus, and split it. Y square minus 8y plus 7y minus 56. So in first two and last two, here it is y common, so you will be getting y minus 8 plus 7 common, again it is y minus 8. So y minus 8 overall you can take common, and then it is y plus 7. So here you can leave your answer, y minus 8 into y plus 7. So please keep a watch how to go for these factorization and how to write the numbers in a pair, and how these numbers are satisfying this equation that their sum or difference is equal to the middle one and product is equal to this. So minus 8 into 7 definitely will make it minus 56. Then it is your fifth question. Fifth was 15m square minus 26m minus 8. Now you see the product of this. 15 into 8 is 120. So if I will go for the factors of 120, so I have to select a pair of numbers such that their sum will be equal to 26 and in minus 26, and product will be equal to 120. So let us keep a watch here. Again 2 30s are, 2 15s are, then it is 3 5s are. 2 2s are, 4 2s are 8, 3s are 24, 5s are. So 2 2s are 8 and 15. One pair I am getting 8 and 15. Will that solve my purpose? No, not at all. Then 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 5s are 30. So another possibility I am getting is, if I am taking the first two only, these 2 and 2 are 4, 2 3s and 5s are, 2 3s are 6, 5s are 30, 2 2s are 4. Another possibility. In that way I have to select the pair. Now 4 and 30, 4 into 30 definitely is equal to 120. And the difference of 4 and 30 will be equal to 26. So middle term is consisting of negative, put negative there and 4 there. So this is the pair which will be satisfying this equation. So 15m square minus 30m plus 4m minus 8. So now in first two and last two, here you can take 15m common. It will be m minus 2. In last two 4 is common. So again you will be left with m minus 2. So finally m minus 2 is common. From here 15m plus 4 will be the part of your answer. So m minus 2 into 15m plus 4. So that's all about your question number 5. And then let us see what was your question number 6 is. It was 4m square minus 8n plus 3. 4m square minus 8n plus 3. So again, coefficient of n square and 3 will make it 12. So if I will multiply by 2, 2 and 6. First pair 2 and 6 will solve my purpose because I need the sum is equal to it. Put negative sign with both. So here it is 4n square minus 2n minus 6n plus 3. In first two and last two, in first two it is 2n common. So 2n minus 1. Here it is minus 3 common. So you will be getting 2n minus 1. So finally 2n minus 1 is common. And from here it is 2n and from here it is minus 3. So your answer will be 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 3. This was your number 6. Seventh was x square minus 15x plus 44. So now factor of 44. As soon as you start, you please keep a watch upon this middle term. 4 11s are, or suppose you are starting with 2, 2 22, 2 and 22, either 24 or difference is 20. I don't need, so leave it here only. Then next again it is 2. So now 2 2s are 4. 4 and 11 will be the next pair. So simultaneously you can keep a watch upon forming this pair of number. So 4 and 11 is going to solve my purpose. 4 into 11 will make it 44. And the sum of 4 and 11 with negative signs definitely will be equal to minus 15. So in that way, you can plan well in advance. So x square minus 4x minus 11x plus 44. First two, last two. In first two only x is common. So x minus 4. In these both 11, both are multiple of 11. Again it is x minus 4. So overall x minus 4 is there into x minus 11. So x minus 4 into x minus 11 will be the answer for number 7. Then let us go to number 8. Number 8 was x square minus x minus 42. So as soon as we will start with 42, what happens here? 2 21s are 2 and 21 will make it 19, no need. Then again it is at 3 7s are now 6 and 7. Next pair I am getting of 6 and 7, and you see 6 into 7 42. I need 42, but with minus sign my middle term is consisting of negative, so negative and plus, because 7 and 6 difference will be equal to 1, and that is with minus sign. So your factors will be x square plus 6x minus 7x minus 42. So in first two you will be getting x common, so x plus 6. In last two you are getting minus 7 common, again it is x plus 6. Finally x plus 6 is common into x minus 7. So your answer will be x plus 6 into x minus 7. So that is your answer for number 8. Now come to number 9. Ninth was x square minus 18x plus 81. Means 81 into 1 is 81. You start with 81. 3 27s are. Again it is 3 9s are, and 3 3s are 9 and 9. So 9 into 9 is 81, and 9 and 9 when will be added together with negative signs will give me minus 18. So I will be getting x square minus 9x minus 9x plus 81. So in first two and last two, x is common, x minus 9. Here minus 9 is common, x minus 9. Finally x minus 9 is common, again it is x minus 9. So this will be the answer for your number 9. Then number 10 was 7x square minus 19x minus 6. So again you see this 7 into 6 is 42. When you will start with this 2 and 21. First pair I am getting 2 and 21. So difference of 2 and 21 again is equal to 19. So with greater put the negative, because here it is negative. So minus 21 plus 2 will be the factors for this. So you can write 7x square minus 21x plus 2x minus 6. So you can rearrange this. 21 is the multiple of 7, that's why I am taking it with 7. 2 and 6 both are multiples of each other, so that I can take it easily common. 7x is common, x minus 3 plus 2 is common, x minus 3. So that helps me to split the case here, and answer will be x minus 3 into 7x plus 2. So that's all about your yesterday's assignment. All 10 questions are solved for you. Please see, if anywhere you are committing the mistake, need not to worry. You please give a second thought. Correction you can do from this lecture, and all the steps I have mentioned very clearly. Do how to form the pairs and how to put the signs. How to put the signs, this is very, very important. This was one of the query also, ki sir, do we need to keep a check upon the signs everywhere? So answer always is yes. So today 5 more questions I will be adding to your assignment based upon the same, that is your middle term splitting. Please make a note of that. I think 5 will work out for today's practice, and keep a watch. Tomorrow I will give you the answers of all these 5, that is of today's assignment, because this is very important from the next class point of view. So first will be x square plus 7x plus 12. Second is 2x square minus 5x plus 3. Third is x square plus 5x minus 24. Fourth is 3x square minus 5x plus 2. And fifth, a bit bigger numbers I am adding. Do not worry about anything. Keep a watch upon your prime factorization. That is only the purpose to add this question to your assignment. So if anything difficult will be there, I will give you the remedy of all these 5 tomorrow, and then you can check your answers. But this is today's assignment for practice at home. All 5 are based upon your middle term splitting. Then in exercise 5.9.5, your third question of factorization. Now we are shifting towards the factorization of rearrangement type or by grouping. So 1 or 2 part randomly I will be sharing with you. Rest you can try at your home because 8 parts are there. So in question number 3, what is the meaning of rearrangement or grouping? Like first part I am taking AP plus BP minus AQ or minus BQ. Here grouping is working out. Why? Because in first 2 you can see I am getting P common. So what happens if I take P common? So A plus B will left over there. And in second, minus already is there in with both terms, so I can take minus. And Q is here also, Q is also here. So Q I can take common. So I will be left again with A plus B. So overall A plus B I am getting. So A plus B will be there. From here P is left, from here minus Q is left, and it is factorized. So this is called grouping. Grouping means one group of first 2 and another group of last 2 is helping me out to factorize this expression in which the 4 terms are there. And in question number 3, in all the 8 parts, if you will go through, everywhere there are 4 terms. Everywhere there are 4 terms. Suppose now I am taking for your ease fourth part, 5ab plus 3a. 5ab plus 3a. These are the first 2. And then it is plus 5b plus 3. Plus 5b plus 3. Again, these are the groups given to me already. I need not to do the rearrangement here. And this is fifth part I am solving for you. Because here you see A is there, A is there. So only A I can take common. So what is left from here? When A is common, only 5B is left. Only 3 is left. When nothing is common, so means always 1 is common. So 5B plus 3. So 5B plus 3 is there, 5B plus 3 is there. I can take that finally common, and from here it will be A, and from here it will be 1. So 5B plus 3 into A plus 1. So in that way you have to do the rearrangement if required, otherwise do the grouping. So 2 parts I have shared, 6 parts I am leaving to you. You try, otherwise I will come back to you with all other part also, how to go for the factorization of this type of either called factorization done by making the groups or by rearrangement. In rearrangement, if you want, you can shift the 1 to the third or 4th to the second place as per the requirement if it is required. Otherwise, no need means straight away you can make the groups. That you have to check. Thank you.